One more branding touch. The overlay, a little badge that rides on top of your player. It lives in the overlay panel. Flip it on, and it appears on the video instantly. You can show an image, like a logo, or a line of text. Pick its corner, top right or top left, clear of the controls. Write the text and give it a link. Ours points to the bPlugins site. Then, style it. Font size, text color, a background, and the opacity. We're going white on black at 70%. That's the whole setup. Update and let's see it live. On the front end, the overlay stays put while the video plays, quiet but always visible. And because it's linked, one click sends viewers straight to your site. In the classic editor, it's the Branding and Overlay tab. Same fields, same badge.